One of the questions I get asked all the time, Wick, I have no idea what to talk about. How can I find topics to discuss that are relevant to either my clients or potential clients? What do I talk about, and how can I make sure that the things I talk about are good topics? Great question. Here's a quick answer. One thing I constantly work on is finding solutions that are simple. Meaning life is hard enough as is, work is hard enough, no need to make it more complicated, complicato. So we got this amazing thing called the interneta, that has done all the work for you. So let's use it and figure out how to use it better. This one website, and I know I've done videos about this before, it's called Answer Socrates. I think it's, I don't know how to pronounce the guy's name. Socrates, I don't know, whatever it is. Answer, oh man, I'm just all bad today. Anyways, whatever. And all you got to do here is it says you have answers, we have questions. And what this website does is you put a topic you want to talk about, and it will go on the interneta and find all the questions that people have been asking about that topic. For example, I put in here acne, right? Let's say I want to talk about acne. I am in the US. If you're in the UK, put the UK. So it's more local to you. English, blah, blah, search, boom. Cool. So what this is going to do is come up with all these topics in acne that people have been Googling for questions. So how do you clear up acne? Is there a difference between acne and pimples? What causes acne? What does acne do to your skin? These are all really good topics. And this is what I recommend. One, I recommend doing a video just like this. A video is such a multifaceted tool because you can grab a long video, make it into a shorter video, you can grab content out of it, put it in a blog, you can use it as an email, whatever you wanted to do. There's a million things. I know a lot of times estheticians have told me, Wick, I'm not comfortable being on video. I don't like the way I sound. Dude, I've done hundreds, if not thousands of videos. To this day, I do not like what I look like on video and how I sound. I've just gotten over it and I can care less. But I will tell you this, I call it facts over feelings. I feel that way, but the facts are, I have yet, over the hundreds, if not thousands of videos that I've done, had somebody criticize me for my voice and say, oh my God, Wick, I was going to watch your video, but you sounded really weird and bizarre, so I chose not to listen to it. Haven't got that one yet. I haven't had someone say, Wick, you looked really funny and bizarre, so I chose not to watch your video. People are generally nice. Most people are nice. I've had people disagree with me, which is fine, because that's the purpose of these videos. It's like for me to share my opinion on what has worked for me, and then others share what worked for them. So that's not a negative thing. I like it when people show and share what has worked for them and why they believe I'm correct or not correct, etc. I'm okay with that. But so get over it. Get over the feelings that I feel this, I don't like the way I look, I don't like the way I sound. But the facts are, you will not have people criticize you for how you look or how you sound. And if for some reason, again, I've done hundreds if not thousands of videos, if somebody criticizes me for that, that tells me more about them than about me. It's like, here I am trying to share information, trying to help, trying to do this, and someone's just trying to be stupid. Well, they just have a sad existence, and that's just sad, but it is what it is. Anyways, back to lecture at. So what I would do if I was you, I would go through this website, Answer, Socrates, find 10 questions here that apply to you. Like, where is acne? Oh, that's a product. Where is acne located? Where is acne most likely to be found? That's a good question. Where is acne caused by stress? Right? If you have stress, where does acne show up more? Which acne treatment is best for me? That's a great question. Why acne on my chin? I would get 10 to 15, I'm about to sneeze, 10 to 15 questions. Grab your phone and just start answering the questions. Just go boom. And don't stop the video. Find step one. Get 10 to 15 questions. Write them all down on a list or whatever. Step 2, grab your phone, do a video of you answering the questions, freestyle it, try to be on point, keep it as short as possible in the beginning, and go from there. And it's just going to give you practice, right? This is going to be great practice. You don't have to post it if you don't want. But the thing is this, the more you practice, the more you'll get over yourself, the more you realize that people are nice, people are very, very generous and kind in this world, that most people, 99.9, which is really good odds, will be happy and thankful for the information. So get out of your own head. Get 10 to 15 questions, write them all down, make a list. Step 2 is make the list. Step 3, grab your phone and start answering the questions, because you are a bold beauty boss. You are an esthetician. You know the answers to a lot of these, right? How acne patches work. That's a great question, right? Because patches are, I'm about to sneeze still. Patches are popular nowadays. So get any questions here, and there's so many of them. Look at that. Oh my God. Can, near, comparisons, acne and diet. Ooh, great comparison. In the past, did acne always exist? Did the caveman have acne? Did the cave woman have acne? Curious. All right. Go there, get the questions, make a list, grab your phone, do a video, and just answer the questions. Just straight answer question number 1. Question number 1, and I would do it something like this, right? For example, how do you clear up acne? I would do this. First of all, do not introduce yourself first. No one cares about you or your name. Understand that people care about themselves, about their opinions, about what information they want. I always start like this. Hey y'all, one of the questions I get to ask all the time is, how do you clear up acne? That's what I'm going to talk about today. How do you clear up acne? What is the solution that I've learned in my 5 years as an esthetician? Then go, hey, what's up? My name is Wick. I'm with Wick's Aesthetics, blah, 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 right here in downtown Sacramento. Now let's get to it. How do you clear up acne? Acne is blah, blah, blah. And then boom, just go into it. How do you clear it up? What are some of the things that have worked? And of course, it's not an easy question to answer because skin is different, but whatever. Straight to the point, boo, 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 bam. On to the next one, bam. On to the next one, bam. On to the next one. And now you have content that you can work with. You have questions that you're answering. If you feel comfortable, get it, cut it, post it. On to the next one. Be valuable by answering questions that will help and benefit people. That is much better than saying, hey, come in for 20% off my facial. Hey, come in for 50% off of this. Just saying, value, value, value. Be valuable because you are valuable. Be amazing because being amazing pays oh so well. Great website, Answer Socrates.com. I always say Socrates. And go from there. Peace.